Hello, we are going to talk about graphing systems of inequalities. Graphing linear inequalities. You write the inequality in slope-intercept form. Use the slope and the y-intercept to plot the 2 points. Draw in the line. Use a solid line for less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. Use a dashed line for less than or greater than. Pick a point above the line or below the line. Test that point in the inequality. If it makes the inequality true, then shade the region that contains that point. If the point does not make the inequality true, shade the region on the other side of the line. Systems of inequalities, you follow steps 1 through 4 for each inequality. Find the region where the solutions to the 2 inequalities would overlap, and this is the region that should be shaded, or shaded more dark than the other 2. Okay, so here's an example. We're going to graph the following linear systems of inequalities. They're already in slope-intercept form, so how we graph that one is we go to -4 on the y-axis, put a point. The slope is 2, positive 2, so we go up 2 and over 1. We draw a line there, and it is a full line because it has the equal sign underneath. To test which side is shaded, well, let's just draw the other line first, and then we'll go back to that. Okay, here we have a positive 2 on the y. That's the y-intercept. The slope is -3. That means we go down 3 from that point and over 1. We draw the line. And now we're going to check on shading. The first one, the one that's in green, we are going to check a point. Let's check 0, 0. That's the easiest. 0 is greater than -4. That's true. So we're going to shade the 0, 0 side. On the purple one, we're going to test 0, 0 point. Is 0 less than 2? Yes. So we're going to shade also the 0, 0 side. And the part where they overlap is the answer to our system of inequalities. So that would be here through here. So I'm going to darken that area. And that would be the answer. Any point in here would satisfy this solution. And let's try another one. Already in slope-intercept form. The first one, the y-intercept is 4. So we're going to go on to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the y-axis. Put a point. The slope is -1, so down 1 to the right 1, and we would draw our line. The next one, our y-intercept is -2, so on the y we go down 2. The slope is 1, so we go up 1 and to the right 1, and we draw a line for that. Now to check the shading, on the red one, let's put in zeros. 0 is greater than 4. Not true. So we're not going to shade the 0 side. We're going to shade the other side. For the purple one, let's put in zeros. 0 is greater than -2. So it is the 0, 0 side, which is this side. So where they overlap is this little corner right here. And that is the answer, the solution to this system of inequalities. Any point in that green region would work for those inequalities. Another one, okay, this one's a little different because in each of these we only have one variable. So for y is less than 2, we go to 2 on y, and we're going to draw a dotted dashed line. And because it doesn't have the equal sign. Let's go to the next one. It's x, so we go to x, -1, and it's going to be up and down with a full line. The parts that are shaded now, we put in 0 for y. 0 is less than 2, so it is the part with y, with 0, sorry. So it's this side from the y. For the red one, if we put in 0, 0 is greater than or equal to -1, so it is also the 0 side. And you can see where they interlap. It is this rectangle here. So any point in that rectangle would be a solution to this system of inequalities. Another one, this time we have the regular with the 2 variables. They're already in slope-intercept form. So to graph the first one, we go to 2, +2 on the y-intercept. Our slope is -2, so we go down 2 into the right one, and we draw a line. The next one, we go to +3 on the y-intercept. Our slope is 1, so we go up 1 into the right one, and we draw our line there. Let's go to the red one first. 0 is less than 3, so it is the 0 side. On the black one, we put in zeros. 0 is also less than 2, so it is also the 0 side on the black one. So where they interlap will be right here. So any point in that triangle, the green area, would be a solution to that system of inequalities. One more. This is a different one. They both have y and only y. So we're going to go to 4 on y. It is a dashed line. And then we're going to go to 1 on y. It's also a dashed line. 0 is less than 4. That is true. 0 is not greater than 1. So for the black one, we do the 0 side. And for the red one, we don't do the 0 side. So actually where they interlap is this long rectangular area right here. So any of those points would work for this system of inequalities. Have a great day.